Ego 56-volt Power Plus Hedge Trimmer can trim and shear with ease, outpacing most gas trimmers with up to an hour of runtime. The 24-inch dual-action blade allows you to work around shrubs and bushes in hard-to-reach areas. Effortlessly switch the battery between tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. Forget about the mess of extension cords. Feel the freedom of working around the yard with untethered power. So easy to use that a quick touch-up can be achieved in minutes. 56 volts of lithium-ion power give you everything you need to maintain your yard on your terms. The Ego 56-volt Power Plus Hedge Trimmer, part of the Ego Power Plus system.
If your garden has hedges, you're going to want a light, ergonomic, and easy-to-use tool to keep them looking gorgeous. Say hello to Ryobi's new One Plus Hedge Trimmer, the perfect way to keep your hedges manicured all season long. This 18-volt trimmer powers a 45-centimeter blade with an 18-millimeter blade gap, meaning you can slice through branches up to 18 millimeters thick. The dual-action diamond ground blades ensure clean, precise cuts. This trimmer is perfect for sculpting small to medium-sized hedges. The full loop handle will allow you to use the trimmer at any angle you need, even on curved surfaces. This hedge trimmer is one of the lightest and most ergonomic in its class. With overmold on the rear handle, it'll be comfortable to use even for long periods of time. This trimmer is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your One Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. If you're new to the One Plus system, this trimmer is also available in a kit, a great way to get introduced to the One Plus family. As part of the One Plus system of over 70 great tools for the home and garden, this 18-volt hedge trimmer will work with any One Plus battery.
Groom your grass and get your shrubs in shape with the Hedger Joe HJ604C Grass Shear plus Hedge Trimmer from Sunjoe. Now those post-mowing touch-ups in tight spaces can be made fast and easy with Hedger Joe's 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Power up instantly with the push of a button and start shearing or shrubbing without the inconvenience of a gas engine or cord. Hedger Joe's rechargeable battery power makes it eco-friendly and maintenance-free, so you'll never need to deal with gas, oil, costly seasonal tune-ups, or toxic hydrocarbon emissions. Hedger Joe features an interchangeable blade system that easily converts from grass shear to a hedge trimmer. Both the 4-inch grass shear blade and the 6-inch hedge trimmer blade are constructed of durable steel for long-lasting and reliable performance. Hedger Joe weighs just 2.5 pounds, so it's easy to handle and effortless to control whether you're shrubbing or shearing. It also features a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty, this dual dynamo will deliver reliable results you can see every time. So when it comes to grooming your yard and garden, go with Joe. The Hedger Joe HJ604C cordless 2-in-1 grass shear plus hedge trimmer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.